Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Something that I've wanted to do for a really long time is give you a little house tour, and I finally have some time to do it. I've got my new couch in my living room, and I was kind of waiting for that before I gave you a little house tour. So we're gonna get into the house tour. Please keep in mind, this is my house. I live here. If things are messy, I'm sorry. I did clean a little bit, but it's not perfect. So let's get into the little house tour. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Here is my little entryway. So this is the front door. Here I've got a little closet that just opens up. It's kind of a hot mess in here. Over here is one of the bathrooms, and then here is a spare bedroom, or also I kind of have it as my office. So yeah, let's take a look at those things. In here is bathroom number 1. So it's a full bathroom. It's got a shower, a bathtub, vanity, everything. Lots of storage in here as well. Here is a little closer of a look. So those pictures there are from GS Print Shop, the same company that did the ones in my classroom. This shower curtain, I believe, is from TJ Maxx. Here is the little sink vanity. See, like I said, lots of storage. So this is bathroom number 1. It's kind of hard to see here, but here is like my entryway closet. It is kind of just full of junk right now. Okay, this is a spare bedroom, which is just kind of my office. So over here I have my desk. I also have some boxes in here because I've been packing up like my Halloween decor. And then over here is my athletic wear closet. So this is where I keep all my gym clothes and my tennis shoes. I have all of my other like shoes in my actual closet in my bedroom, but this is where my tennis shoes are located. So over here I've got like my desk with my printer, my computer, and then just a mirror over here, and that's basically this whole entire room. I eventually want to kind of turn this more into like a fake classroom so that I can do content and stuff in here. So yeah. In here is my laundry room, and I do have laundry going, so you will be able to hear that. Okay, so here's my washer and my dryer, and then this is like my little rack that I just like hang my clothes on, and I can also hang clothes on there as well. This hopefully someday will get a little bit of an upgrade with like everything, but right now it's not top of my priority list. I do eventually need a new washer and dryer because these ones just don't work super well. This house is almost 10 years old, and so those are like the original washer and dryer, I'm pretty sure, so eventually I will need new ones. But right now, not top of the priority list. Also in my little, like right here, this is the garage. The garage is a disaster. So we're not gonna go into the garage, but I have this little rack here, or like little like mudroom coat thing where I can hang my bags and things like that. So that's been really nice too. Here is my kitchen. The thing I love the most about this kitchen is the island here. I just feel like I do so much more cooking in this house than my last house because I have more counter space to actually do actual cooking on. So this is my kitchen. Here is my fridge. Will I need a new fridge eventually? Yes, I will. But she works great for right now. Lots of storage. Over here is my pantry, so I'll take you inside of my pantry because one of my things I really wanted when I was buying this house was a pantry. It looks like a little disaster right now, but I've got lots of shelving, lots of storage. I can keep all of Poppy's like food and stuff in here as well. Just lots of room. So on this side of my kitchen, I have like my microwave, stove, oven, all the things, dishwasher, but just a lot more storage in my kitchen, which is nice. All of the cabinets are super nice, lots of drawers. One thing I really need, it's at the top of my priority list, is a new dishwasher. But it's not at the tippy top, it's just up there. This dishwasher is not great, and they did not install it correctly. Bring it down here, where like this is the like side of the cabinet, and it's connected to the dishwasher, which I think it's supposed to be, but like if I move my dishwasher, this moves, or the dishwasher's not like solid in there, which probably just wasn't installed correctly, so I probably could keep the same dishwasher, even though it doesn't really work all the time. but it needs to probably be reinstalled into the cabinet. Over here is my little dining area. This table I just got off of Facebook Marketplace for like $40. So I've got a nice table. I've got like my plants and stuff back there with a little mirror, and then a door here, sliding door that goes out to the backyard and the deck. We're not gonna go out there today because it's freezing, like 30 degrees, freezing, and super, super windy. So we're avoiding the outside today. Here is my living room. So I was waiting to film this until I got my new couch, which this is my new couch. It is from Slumberland. I'm actually working with Slumberland on a video. So here's my couch, and it's got 3 recliners built into it. I also got this coffee table here from them as well. And so it's just added a perfect touch to my living room. I think in the next couple weekends, I'm gonna paint this wall over here a darker, like tannish color, because right now my house is all the same color, and I kind of wanna like switch it up a little bit. So I think I'm gonna do this back wall here a darker tan to kind of bring out the color of the couch, because the couch kind of matches the carpet right now. So I need to do a little finagling. It also matches the walls. Everything is just very like tan, and so I kind of want to bring out some darker colors as well. So that's a project for another weekend. Over here I've got 2 big windows, and I love having windows in my living room. I've got a nice fireplace, which is currently broken. It's gonna be a theme in this video is that I do have some work to do. But the fireplace was working when we did the inspection. Now it's not working. So I need to have someone come out and look at the fireplace. My TV there has Selling Sunset on, which is kind of inspiring me, my house tour video. But yeah, I'm excited to get the fireplace up and running for the winter. I also have a giant beanbag chair over here. This is from Corduroy's. It unrolls into, or like unfolds into a queen size bed. So I've had this for 6 years now. I originally bought it because I didn't have like room or a bed for a spare bedroom in my other house, and so that way guests could sleep on this. So yeah, it's amazing. Okay, and here is my room. This is my bed here. My bed frame is from Homemakers, and all my bedding is from Natural Life. Love Homemakers, love Natural Life. Over here in my bedroom I have my dresser, and my dresser is from IKEA. I've had it since I was in high school. It's held up very nicely. My little TV that I've also had since my freshman year of college. I got this TV Black Friday. Still works fabulously. Here is a little mirror. This mirror at my old house was above my dresser, but right now it's just here. It matches this. It's also from IKEA. I also have that nightstand, my Squishmallows over there, but that nightstand there, and then the other side are just from Amazon. So this is my bathroom where I get ready every single morning. Something that I was looking for in a house was 2 sinks, because hopefully eventually someone will move into this house with me and live with me. So that's why I wanted 2 sinks. But this is my bathroom. My shower curtain is also from Natural Life. Yeah, it's got lots and lots of storage. It's got a walk-in closet here, which I'll show you next, and it also has full like a linen closet for storage in here as well. I'll give you a little peek inside of my linen closet here, but it is a mess. All right, there you go. That's it. My closet is also, actually, my closet isn't as bad. It could be worse. Okay, if you can see inside, here is my closet. I also needed a walk-in closet when I was looking for houses because I have too much clothes, and I'm working on that. Okay, next I'm gonna take you downstairs. So you saw the whole upstairs. There's 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms upstairs. Now we're gonna go downstairs. There's a bedroom and a bathroom and a little living area downstairs. So let's go. Okay, so when you come down the stairs, this is the living area. Over here is just like unfinished storage where like the air conditioning, heating, all that kind of stuff is. At the bottom of the stairs, there's also a little closet here where I just have things that I've been storing. Here is the living area down in the basement. Eventually, I have a lot of like things that I want to do with this, but right now I've got a big sectional down here, a projector, so it's kind of like a movie theater room. I want to add things over here too. Like I think it'd be fun to get like a ping pong table or a pool table or things like that so that I can host like friends and family down here and it'd be kind of like fun. Yeah, but there's a bedroom right here, so let's check out that bedroom. Here is the actual spare bedroom. So this bedroom actually has a bed in it. So here's the bed. This bed frame is also from Homemakers, and the bedding is from Amazon. There's also a full walk-in closet down here, but right now it's got a lot of junk in it, and I'm not gonna show it to you, sorry. One thing that I did love about this house when having a spare bedroom downstairs was a window. It's nice to have a window, and it's not an egress window, but that is the only window in the basement though, so that kind of stinks. Okay, here's a little look at my sectional down here. I got this sectional actually from my brother's girlfriend. She took my old couch and left, and then I got this. And then the projector, so the projector just projects onto the wall. Then there's a bathroom right here, so let's go see the bathroom. This bathroom is kind of small, and so there we go. This is a look at the bathroom. It's got a lot of storage and stuff there. It's a very nice bathroom for like a guest. Next to the bathroom, there's another door, and this is where my home gym is. So you can see the gym behind me. This is unfinished. A project for my dad and I this winter is to finish this part of the basement, or at least do the walls. But I do like having a gym down here, and I also need to add a treadmill. I have a walking pad, but I want a treadmill, so that will also be added here eventually. But yeah, this is what my gym looks like currently. And all my gym equipment is from RitFit Sports. Very affordable gym equipment. But honestly, that's like my whole house. So that is gonna conclude our house tour because we've visited the whole entire house. So yeah, let me know if you want more house content because I have some work to do to this house and some things I wanna add. So yeah, give me any suggestions for house stuff. Thank you for watching. I'll talk to you later. Bye.